The Switzerlands. This beautiful and small country located in the heart of Europe. It is known for its beautiful scenery, picturesque villages, and world-class ski resorts. Switzerland is also famous for its chocolate, cheese, and watches. The country is divided into 26 cantons, each with its own unique culture and history. If you're planning a trip to Switzerland, there are many amazing places to visit. Let's talk today about the beautiful places of Switzerland. Zurich, the largest city of Switzerland, and is located in the north-central part of the country. It is a hub of finance, education, and culture. Zurich is famous for its beautiful architecture, museums, and galleries. The city is also known for its shopping, nightlife, and restaurants. Lucerne. Lucerne is a beautiful medieval city located in central Switzerland. It is famous for its picturesque old town, the Chapel Bridge, and the Lion Monument. Lucerne is also a popular starting point for trips to the nearby mountains. Interlaken. Interlaken is a small town located in the Bernese Oberland region of Switzerland. It is known for its stunning mountain scenery and its proximity to the Jungfrau region. Interlaken is also a popular destination for adventure sports such as paragliding, skiing, and rafting. Geneva. Geneva is located in the southwest of Switzerland, near the border with France. It is known for its cosmopolitan atmosphere and its beautiful lake. Geneva is also home to many international organizations, including the United Nations and the International Red Cross. Zermatt. Zermatt is a small town located in the Valais region of Switzerland. It is famous for its world-class ski resorts and its stunning views of the Matterhorn. Zermatt is also a popular destination for hiking and mountaineering. Jungfrau Region. The Jungfrau Region in Switzerland's Bernese Oberland is home to some of the country's most renowned mountain vistas. In the winter, visitors can ride the Jungfrau Railway, view the magnificent Aletsch Glacier, or enjoy skiing or snowboarding. Montreux. Montreux is located on the shores of Lake Geneva in the west of Switzerland. It is known for its mild climate, beautiful parks, and gardens. Montreux is also famous for its annual jazz festival, which takes place in July. Moritz. Moritz is a luxury resort town located in the Engadine Valley of Switzerland. It is known for its upscale hotels, spas, and restaurants. Moritz is also a popular destination for winter sports such as skiing, snowboarding, and ice skating. Switzerland is a beautiful country with many amazing places to visit. Whether you're interested in skiing, hiking, culture, or food, Switzerland has something for everyone. So why not plan your next vacation to Switzerland and experience all that this wonderful country has to offer? Thank you for taking the time to watch our videos. If you like this videos, please like it and subscribe to this channel, and press the bell button for your next dream travel destination videos.